Welcome back to my channel. My name is Swija and I am super glad to see you on my channel. If you are new here, I make DIY videos for home decor, and if you love making them just like I do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on the video, and without wasting a minute, let's get started. So I started with blank canvas and choosing the color for this project. I wanted to involve just two contrast colors, so I selected one dark and one light. To keep it warm, I went for brown and white. I did not have the exact brown shade, so I had to make my own for acrylic paint on the canvas. And after a few minutes, I almost made it. For next step, I started by creating sections with masking tape. As you can predict, I painted one side with the color I made, and to maintain the texture on the other section, I painted that one with white. I left it to dry for a good amount of time. Meanwhile, I printed this beautiful line art from Pinterest. You can find this in the description box below. Then I stick this print with the masking tape into the center of the canvas, as well as splitting into the equal part with the brown and a white. Then I started poking holes with push pins. It was little time taking step to do, but very important because that helped me to maintain the shape of a line art, as well as it was pretty easy to pass the needle and thread to this. I was actually able to figure out how it is going to look from just holes. Then, with the help of needle and thread, I started to work on the piece. I used grandma needle because my thread were pretty thick and it was really hard to work with a normal needle. I used white thread in the brown part and opposite in the other part of the canvas. If you don't know what I'm doing here, the easiest way to do is to poke out needle from the bottom in the second hole and put it in the first one from the top. Poke out needle from the bottom in the second hole and put it in the first one from the top. These are the easiest stitches you can do, but I have to say you will end up using double the thread than you can see on the surface. I would suggest you to look for a specific stitches video if you like, and you can definitely involve some good techniques if you know. This is how I made it, and let me know if you liked it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to engage with my channel by liking, sharing, subscribing and commenting on my video. That helps me to create my YouTube community. And once again, thank you so much, and I will see you all in the next video.